Welcome guys, this is Progjury your guy. Today we're going to talk about how you can earn $50 per hour from anywhere in the world. Yes, I mean it, $50 per hour. I just want to ask you something. Do you know how to sing? Do you know how to sing? Do you like traveling? Do you like reading? Do you like dancing? If yes, that means you're in for business. If you have been doing these things before for fun, you have been dancing for fun, you have been singing for fun, you have been traveling for fun, now you are going to travel for money. So like I was saying, I said yeah, you can make money online just doing what? Singing, dancing, traveling. You can make $50 per hour just doing these things. Somebody needs you right now. And who's that person? Let me take you to that place. That is called rentafriend.com. It's not the website. Rentafriend.com. This website has friends from around the world for hiring. Yes. And they said enter a location of where you are looking to rent a friend. So you can put any country here. You can put Nigeria, you can put Kenya, you can put any place you want to put here. And you are in to make friends. What are they saying? They're saying people are using rent a friend for all kinds of activities. Like I told you before, just to introduce yourself to people, wig man or wig woman, friends with disabled, friends with seniors, poetry, art, drawing, baking, cooking, phone a friend, dinner, just name it. Even biking, people are renting friends to do these things for them. So it's not dating stuff, it's real business. So how do you get into this kind of website? What we do is come to this place and click on the join, because you don't already have an account right now. So what do? You have to join. When you click the join button, it takes you to this page, this spot which says select the type of user you want to be on the world's largest rent a friend website. And you have two options here, either to become a member or to become a friend. And if you want to become a member, this will allow you to search and contact any of the friends on website from around the world. But right now, you want to make money. You want to be a friend that is making money. What do? Just click on the become a friend. And they said this will allow you to become a friend, post your profile and get hired. Then that's not all. Becoming a friend is 100% free, and you get to keep 100% you earn. So this is business. So for you, I'll just choose the one of what become a friend, and I click on the sign up as friend by email. And when you click that, it brings to this page where you have this. Let me go up. It says get paid to be a friend. I told you before now that you can earn up to $50 per hour. The next thing is that you are going to be giving free meals, free concerts, free sporting events, and more. Just name it. So right now, they are paying you $50 per hour. Just becoming a friend, they will hire you. And so you can see how it goes here. You can see the party, you can see the life that you need to enjoy. You can start making friends and what? Get paid. Go to party, enjoy your life, make friends and get paid. It's as simple as that. So what we do, like we said before now, you can get paid when you what? Introduce yourself to people, or maybe when you cook, or make phone calls, or maybe dinner, or just even swimming. You can go clubbing, shopping, religious, picnics, traveling, music, just name it. You can get paid for all these activities if you choose to become a friend. Then the next thing is, I want to tell you what is involved more, because you need to see why you need to get this use up. They said, get paid to be a friend. Be your own boss. Set your own hours. Set your price. Work when you want to, and keep 100% of the money you make. This is the ultimate job. Yeah, it is the ultimate job. And they have reviews. Like you see here. Let me show something. Like if you check this place, it said as of Wednesday, June 15, 2022, which is today, they said there are over 621,585 friends available for rent worldwide. So Rent a Friend has been featured on CNN. You can see CNN, ABC, AOL, the news show, MSNBC, Associated Press Force News, and many more media outlets. So they are really there working, and it's a legit site to make money from anywhere you are in the world. So do it to join this website and start making money from there. What do they say? They say how to get started. First, you need to fill out an application form. Once you are approved, usually within an hour of signing up, your profile is made live on rentafriend.com. People can search their zip code or city, state, country for friends in your area. If they are interested in your profile, they will contact you directly. Then you then negotiate your time, price, and activity with the member. You then meet your new friends, get a great time, or have a great time and get paid. So one thing they say that the benefits of becoming a friend on rentafriend.com is 1. Only paid members of Rent a Friend can contact you directly. So if someone contacts you and says they saw your profile on rentafriend.com, you know they are serious about meeting a new friend. Paid members of Rent a Friend can call, text, or message you through the website. You can write in your description how you would like to be contacted by the members. The second one is it is 100% free to have your profile on rentafriend.com. There's never any cost to you. Plus, you get to keep 100% of the money you make from meeting new friends. The third one is there are no obligations to be friends with anyone. You decide who you want to be friends with, how much you charge, and what times you want to work. You make all the rules because you are the boss. That's it. So when you are creating your profile in this channel, please make sure your profile is well detailed. You want to make sure your profile is well detailed. Like you can say, I like traveling, I like writing, I like singing. Just add those stuff to your profile so that when those who have paid to join this Rent a Friend comes, they will see that you are in for business. I can just call you and say, hey, please, I understand for your profile that you can sing, you can write, you can travel, you can do this. Can you do this for me? How much are you going to do this for me? You can say, okay, I can do this for you for $50 and the like. And they get you paid. And they have a payment structure. Let me see. This is a payment structure. They said if you charge $20 per hour, they're going to be earning $480 per weekly, or maybe $1,920 per. You'll be earning that monthly, or at the end of the year, you'll be earning about $23,040 yearly. Then if you charge $50 weekly, be earning about $1,200, and then monthly $4,800. Then yearly $57,000. Then if you charge $20, maybe you want to work full time, you can still earn weekly about $800 per week. Then maybe $3,200 per month and $38,400 per year. So that's one beautiful thing about this website. Like I said before, try to make sure your website is your profile is well written, so that when they come to rent you are there for business. Mind you, it's all fun. Like they said here, you can party, you enjoy your life, make friends. At the end of the day, you get paid. There's nothing as simple as that. This is me once more from Miss Jury. If you have made impact, if I have made any knowledge to you, please do it to subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button. I have another video here that talks about 10 legit money making apps for 2022. This one says how to earn $59,000 copying and selling images. It's as simple as that. Do you like Fiverr? How to get first order on Fiverr? Get 247 orders in queue. It's simple. 205 orders in queue. It's very, very simple. So you just watch these videos and do it to make any comment in case I'm talking too fast, or maybe you don't get me clear. It's still in the comment section so that I can get myself improved on. Thanks for watching. Bye.